but the most important thing is practice. Stick goes behind your back, hands forward. Yes, nice. So grab it that width which you're comfortable with and bring it up, elbow straight, lift your shoulders. I know it feels weird a little bit. Yeah, but we can do it, huh? As I mentioned that the hips are in a huge charge of overall balance, they should be able to move because balance is a dynamic term. This is basically the only spot where I can operate the board and it's stable and it keeps momentum when it's on the wave or on the water. Look forward or where you want to go. Yes, here we go. At least horizontal, yeah? Or even. Nice. Can we go a little bit down with the nose? Nice. Yes. Again, drag, pay attention on the hip movement. 3 more, pay attention.